Versatile design. Chrome finish is highly reflective for a mirror-like look that works with any decorating style. Certified Moen. Part of Moen's commercial product line. Original equipment manufacturer. Authentic Moen replacement part. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. Get practical convenience with the Moen commercial double-roll paper holder. Designed with 2 spring-loaded bars for convenient roll changes, the paper holder is easy to use and includes everything you need for quick installation. The Moen commercial double-roll paper holder features a highly reflective chrome finish. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for households with different butts. The sheer joy of having my own toilet paper that won't rip out my butt hairs while not depriving my wife of her frou-frou scented quilted Insta-shred stuff has inspired me to leave one of the only reviews I've ever done on Amazon. While sitting on the can still, no less. Installation was straightforward. Make sure you have a tiny glasses repair kit size flathead. Looks decent. Roller spring is sufficiently strong but not so much so that it breaks your nails getting it off. Considering getting more for every bathroom in the house. Worth every penny.